Isempumalanga indebe yomhlaba yebhola lomnqakiswano njengoba kuqhubeka umbukiso wayo. Inhloso yalombukiso ukukhuthaza abadlali bebhola lomnqakiswano bakusasa kuleli.
One sport that actually we should popularize it more to make sure that all young girls have an opportunity to play it.
Bebethe chithisaka emgaqweni abantu kaNyamazane njengoba bebelangazelela ukuyibona le ndebe.
I wish to go to Cape Town because I like it very much, netball. It's my legacy and it's also the sports that I like my most.
The person that inspires me to play netball, it's Bongiwe Msomi, the captain of the Spa Proteas, because her strength when she's on court, she's very focused.
Amantombazana yaqhuquzeleka ekuthatheni umdlalo webhola lomnqakiswano njengendlela angasiphilisa ngayo.
Go play netball. Netball is a sport. It's a sport that can turn into a career now. It's not something that you can say, it's netball, it was like that before. It can turn into a career. Look at the girls now, they are contracted professionally, they are playing professional, some are overseas.
Kunethemba lokuthi le ndebe yomhlaba izoshiya umlando kuleli.
Provincial government gave us as a department money to build a legacy project. So we are building 6 combo courts and we've taken them to rural areas.
Lo mbukiso uzoqhubekela enkomazi khona eMpumalanga kanti uzogcina ngoLwesine bese udlulela eLimpopo. Umqhudelwano wokulwela le ndebe uzoqala mhla zingama-28 kuNtulikazi eKapa.